Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting, transporting, and then storing rainwater for later use. This often involves collecting rainwater from a catchment area and channeling it to your food garden or agricultural field, or alternatively to a tank where it can be stored. By doing this, you are able to use the rainwater for something useful instead of it being unproductive runoff. There are many different ways of harvesting rainwater. The cleanest rainwater comes from the roof and can be stored in tanks or drums for cooking and drinking. However, water from the roof is only a very small portion of the water that falls on the yard, and the water that runs through or past the yard from the surrounding areas. This is called surface runoff and is not clean enough for drinking, cooking and dishwashing, but can be used for washing, laundry, cleaning and a variety of productive uses such as food gardening, water for animals and poultry, and brickmaking. Water conservation, on the other hand, is the protection and efficient management of the water that we do have in productive ways. Examples are increasing the infiltration of water into the soil by increasing ground cover or mulching, and recycling and reusing water, known as grey water harvesting. There are 5 key steps involved in water harvesting and conservation which help you to make the best use of the rainwater at your homestead. These are intercepting or capturing the rainwater, slowing the water down so that it doesn't flush away everything in its path, then channeling the water to where it is needed, storing the water for use, and in this DVD we discuss different ways of storing water in the soil and also different types of storage, and setting up grey water harvesting. Throughout, we try to get as much water as possible to infiltrate into the soil so that the amount of water lost to evaporation or runoff is minimized.